Hello, passionpreneurs. I want to share one funny incident which happened in Vietnam when I was with my three sisters in a mall. We were shopping, and my elder sister was busily shopping here and there, and she went around 10 stores. Then suddenly she realized that she didn't have a bag with her. She has a little knee pain, so she generally walks very slow. Suddenly she realized that, oh my god, my bag is not with me. And then she was thinking over number of shops where was. She went to the in the mall and she was just checking where it is. Then she realized that yeah, I had gone to the washroom also. So she told me, Poonam, you come along with me. So let us go to the washroom and check whether my bag is there. Because I have all my passports and my Jijaji's passport is also in that. So let us just go find out. And the whole mall was covered with so many people. Around 4,000 people were there. So we were all tense, like, oh my god, it is not possible, not possible. Then she was like, you just come along, let us go see. Generally, she walks so slowly. That day, she got a superpower with her. And she started walking so fast, so fast. I could not even see her. I could not even think. I was asking Didi, what are you doing? Didi is like, no, 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 no. Jiju's going to shout at me. Let us go, let us go. And as soon as she reached there, she saw that cleaner over there. Then, actually, in Vietnam, they don't know the language, so we have to translate the language. So there, she was trying to explain that cleaner that did you find any bag here? It was such a big bag, and I had passport, Bangalore, India. Oh my god, it was so damn funny. She was trying to explain again and again, and she was like, no, no, no. So then she hold her tightly. No, where it is? I have left it here only. She was so sure that no, it was there only. Then it was very funny because I had never seen her in that kind of, she was just so hyperactive and so tensed because her bag was lost. After that, we both went to each and every store where she went, and we were trying to find out. Then when we were not able to, then I thought, okay, and the flight was just 1 hour away. We had to be there on the airport by 8 p.m. We were still in the mall. 5 o'clock we were in the mall. So we were just thinking how we can sort out this problem because Yaji was continuously calling us up. So then we were asking him. Then I used the translator and I was asking where if I've lost something, how can I find it out? Then the shopkeeper told me that you can just go to the lost property. And then when we went there, again my sister started walking so fast, super fast. And then suddenly when we saw that bag, we felt so happy. And then we went down, and my sister was still so tensed. Poonam, you're not going anywhere. You have to be where you answer whatever is there. I don't know. You're not going to tell this to Jiju. I don't want all this. And the way my kids laughed, it was like amazing time we had. And all the three kids, my two kids, and my sister's kid, all the three of them were laughing and laughing. I think it was just so funny the way how she was acting, and we enjoyed actually. But still, there was a little tension within us because passport was there. But the way how it happened, all this in this tension, we were all relaxed. Only Didi was so damn tensed, and was seeing her being so hyperactive. We were all shocked, and we laughed and enjoyed, had an amazing time there. So I just wanted to share this, because I feel I'm not that funny to uh, tell any story which is very funny, but I found this to be very funny because after this Around half an hour, we were just laughing all around. Hope you also enjoyed my story. Thank you.